So today I saw a fantastic, fantastic dream. What was that? It's a little bad dream. So what I dreamed is I wake up casually as I usually do, but then I went to sleep on like 6 after giving my parents and family tea, and now it's like 3 hours after that. But the scream was little unusual. Means I sleep, then I saw that I was in my old house, that one, and then everything was getting little familiar. Means I can't able to feel that I'm in a dream. Means I know I'm in a dream, but I don't know in a dream. So after that, what happened? I went to this house. Why? I don't know. Means maybe a call or something. But then I realized I should come to this house. And when I come to this house, in my underground market, the police was standing. So in underground there was a police. I just ignored it. And then I went up, means up my house. I see your brother was sitting there. And he was like waving me hi, very lightly, politely. So I thought like something done. It has something then. Then I take the knowledge of all the means things which is happening down there, and then I got that your father has died in later, means yes, today and someone is there, and I talked to you, and because of that we got a call history. So he pointed out in his house that I am deeply connected to that thing. If something happened, me and your father, then these things happen. I was happy because I know that if I'm going to talk to your brother, it's very easily to just manipulate it. I can manipulate it very easily. The only thing I want from a long time is to talk to your brother for just a short period of time, but really straightforward talk. Just manipulate him, make up his mind, type of thing. But that time I was very happy. Then I went down. The person like, get me, get me, get me. Jay! Get me, get me, get me, get me, get me, get me. And then I said no. I said I first want to inform my mother, my parents, then I will give it to you. But then the things start getting little messy because I start letting. That's my wrong. Nothing the process going. I just make the case little worse, little worse. We go, but then also they agree to myself, and we go to my parents. And then my parents saw me to the police. Like they just leave me. They said, "Go, I will just take you from anywhere. If you go, I will come to your home." I was like, okay. Then I went to my parents. I didn't tell them this means I was in scooty. I was in scooty. My scooty was a little fast. I was driving. Then I saw my parents in middle of the road. Then what I started doing, I just take this, just stop, man. No one wants to stop. I mean, just taking this a little, but while braking. So that was like, what are you doing? Just leave him. Just scooty. I was like, no, I want to do me. I don't do what, but I just leave the scooty myself, and scooty get caught, crashed. Then I make the feeling of something is serious happening. Then first, what's happening? Then I tell the police is behind me. Something wrong has happened. They're like, okay. So he doesn't ask anything. He just take my mother's phone and just covered me from it. I was covered. And then he tell me that means that tell your mother to cover you. Means be beside me and front of me every time. So I get covered by police. So the first thing you want to get is just get me out of the police. That they don't want that police caught me and get me there. Then we walk a few stairs until far, but police caught me. So my mom was far, but then my father was with me. But police start to like holding them, so he just leave himself and run. and then few steps forward, but police found me, so he got me. Then what happened is this dream started becoming little nightmare. Then I saw myself that I was means I just tricked them. My father helped me, and just he tricked me. Means he also tricked me and then get me to the secret place from hiding from the police. I mean, there was a slope down there. Everyone was like a mountain. This, this zigzag line. Everyone walk with rope because that was too slopey. But what I did, I just start from the like falling type of thing. Means I control myself, but I have a habit of just that type of thing. I manage it and run it. They wasn't able to catch me. Then we get in the secret hideout. In that hideout, I tell my father that something happened. He said, what? They tell him that I called to that person who is now no more in the world, and I talked a little wife from it. That's why they are just thinking that I did something. So my father said, how much? 4 hours? 9 hours? I said 15 minutes. You're like, then what? 15 minutes is a normal thing. But at that time, I already messed up. Then what happened? Police car just coming in. We are like outside, and there was a police with a long means pole type of thing. He just rotates and throw it to us. In like daddy jump, I jump, we got saved. Then that's it. Means the ninja secret of my dad said me to that now they are going to just beat you a lot. So ready for that. And for a few days you will be in jail, but don't worry, I will take you. I will meet you, come to you. I was thinking like my daily fit is going to be warm up very harshly, and that time was like okay. Then police caught us. Then he start beating. Means I don't know the police caught us. I went like bathroom type or something, and then I just was like I found like someone is beating someone. I get like too many policemen start beating my father a lot, and he was like um, unconscious type of thing while sitting. So the police said that right here that you agree to something. I don't know what was that, but he just signed it. And then they got me and they said sign here as a lot of things. Means I seen, so I was like I have the signature. I know, so I can't mess with them. Don't want to mess with them. Then I said okay, I will sign. You don't have to do nothing, just I will sign. I take my pen out, that casual pen, and the police said like, wow, nice pen. What is price? I said I got it, gift. I said I got a gift, like awesome. That little pen, that pen was with me in my dream. Then what happened? I said, okay, I will send what it is. He said that you accept you done. I said no, I haven't done anything that type of thing. But he said just write. We will take you, ask you, and then leave it. I like okay. And then I take my pencil and see like there are green apples in paper, and I have to draw one with proper shading. Some done bad shading, some done good shading. I'm like, how can I draw an apple with that much perfection? I haven't drawn anything yet in my whole life. But like just draw it. Then everything and going to get fine. And when I was back in time, everything got normal. And then I thought, thank you.